Hi, welcome to Tips from the Hips, and today I've had a bit of a problem. I've broken off the end of my pole. Now once you stop laughing, this is the pole I mean. I use it in the garden. It's supposed to have this socket on the end of it, which then holds various implements like this. Now to reattach this, I've drilled out all the old material, but I've now got to create a round tenon on the end of here. And as I've just shown you, this is quite long, definitely longer than the bed of my lathe. So how am I going to do it? First of all, by using my fingers as gauges, I found out that it needs to be roughly that long. And luckily I can still just see here how wide that diameter was. There's a little bit left. So I can set my diameter off that piece. Out in the machine shop, I've got my router table set up, and I've put a couple of tracks in here which are parallel and spaced around a straight cutter. By lifting that straight cutter, I can change the diameter that I cut on my pole. Now it's probably going to take a few trial cuts. I'll just gradually raise that cutter up until it's at the right height. So the end cleaned off, that now fits lovely. Join me next time for more tips from the hips. The best hips and tips on the internet, in my opinion.